We are pleased to show you the 2020 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, heated seats, remote vehicle start, floor mats, fog lamps, remote keyless entry, cargo net, console, power adjustable pedals. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.